Hello, this is my fourth video for the 5 new technologies that we are doing. I chose Kiddle. This one's pretty simple, but I think it's worth looking into. I know a lot of the times we want kids to research and find things, and we don't want to always give them the exact websites on some of them. It makes them try things on their own and to learn to use Google in the future. And this one is a safe visual search engine for kids. And I think it also helps them get some ownership. So on Kiddle, if you've not ever used it, you just type in here, it's a lot like the Google search, and you type in here whatever you want the kids to look for. Um, let's see. And it gives you many different sites. The thing about this is some of the sites, they still have to determine if they're good or if they need, if they're worth looking into. They can go down here, and there's some that have pictures, of course, and it also gives them the ownership of looking for things on their own and using different sites. You go to the site, and of course, you will definitely want to talk about what cookies are. So that stuff does come up. Um, so it's just a way that kids can get to kid-friendly sites, and you don't have to always, really worry about what site they are going to. This kind of helps you to manage that. Overall, that's pretty much it for this site, other than, like I said, it does help possibly for those younger kids, more primary to some intermediate. Some of the kids you might have them use this because in the past they've made poor choices on sites that they go to. I believe that actually this site could be used for anyone. I mean, as a teacher, if I wanted to find specific sites that were kid friendly, I could go and use this and then get that site and bring it into my assignment or into my lesson. Or it can also be that kids have the opportunity to go and look on their own. Thank you.